today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Reading Extreme 3D app. So all you have to do is so you just click here on settings. When just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, so you just keep going down here, click on apps, come to apps this here, and then you're looking for Reading Extreme 3D app, or just click on search. Then here at Reading Extreme 3D app, just click on it here. So then you come to this is click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage this here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, so you click here on Play Store here. So then here you search here for Reading Extreme 3D app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates, click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.